How to zoom in a video in Canva. Okay, so for the purpose of this demonstration, I will choose a video from the Elements tab. I will type in something like cat and go to videos. Okay, I just want to drag this out like this so it fits the screen. Okay, once you have your video, you want to double click on it until you see this crop screen. Now you want to drag out the video from the corners like that until you zoom in on the area you want. You can also drag the video around and reposition it. Once you're satisfied with your result, go to crop up here and it will crop the video for you. And that's how you zoom in on a video in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.